Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for supporting my earlier videos. Today I am bringing you a tutorial video on how to do video editing on Camtasia Studio 9. If you follow this video, you can also learn to make nice videos in no time. This software is most user friendly and very easy to use. Do pause the video wherever you need to clarify your doubts, and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel for more such videos. Let's learn. This software has all the required features for video editing. It has screen recorder, sound recorder, facecam recorder, and tools for editing media and making a great video. Start with new project. First, let's get familiar with the screen. The area at the bottom where we have to do all the editing is called timeline. Timeline can contain many tracks, which are basically layers of audio and video to be combined into a single video. To insert or delete tracks, right-click on the blank space of the timeline and click Add Track or Delete Track. On the top left, this record button allows you to start recording your screen. We will show this function later. On the left side, there were different menus and functions and some media libraries for putting various effects into the video. Let's start editing. To start editing your videos, audios, etc., you need to first import your media files into the timeline. Click on Import Media button or drag and drop from your folder directly into the timeline. Now you have to adjust the clips and audios as per the requirement by moving it along the timeline. As you can see, we have imported few videos. Now we will align the videos as per our requirement and set the flow of the video. You can adjust the timeline view by clicking on the zooming option on the timeline to adjust as per your choice, as some clips might be long or short. Shortcut is Ctrl plus scroll button of mouse. You can adjust the length of the clips by simply dragging the endpoints towards the desired location on the timeline. You can see the clip length is reduced. Same goes for this clip. To split one clip into multiple clips, we need to pull the marker to the desired location and click on the split clip function. It will split the clip into two clips. Next, I will show you how we can pull the different clips into different layers like this. When putting the clips in different layers, only top layer will be visible, so you have to adjust the layers accordingly. If we want to put some shots as clip on clip, both the media should be in different layers but the same timeline for this effect. And like this, we can reduce the dimension or crop a part of the shot. We can also adjust the layers opacity to make two layers visible at the same time. It looks like morphing two different images. Now coming to adjusting the properties of the clips on the extreme right. In the video section, we can reduce or increase the dimensions of the clip. We can adjust the opacity. We can rotate the clip if recorded in any different angle. In the audio section, we can change the volume of the clip by adjusting the gain percentage. We can also change the volume on the timeline by clicking on the clip and selecting Edit Audio. We can also add audio points where we want to adjust the volume of the clip at a certain point only by double clicking on the audio line.
as you can see. So adding audio points and dragging it down will reduce the volume for that point only.
Next is speed of the media. We can adjust the speed by right click on the media and adding clip speed to it. If speed is more than 1, it will run fast, and if it's less than 1, then it will be slow. This is how we can put background music to the video. Select a song, music of your choice and put it along the timeline. If the music is too long, reduce the size by dragging the endpoints. If short, add the music 2-3 times by copying and pasting it. Now see. So till now we have learned how to edit different medias. Now coming to some basic effects. We will show few effects here. Transition is to add effects while change of the clip. Annotation is used to put some symbols or text on the media. These text can be extended for the full video or can be a part of the video. Behavior you can use for putting basic animations to the text annotation. You can put some basic animation in this, like this animation is scale to fit. Audio effects is used to give effects to the music or sound clips. We can give faded effect like this towards the end of the video. Next, you can also add some narration to make the video interactive in your own voice by selecting voice narration after going to the specific point on the timeline. Mahabalipuram beach. You have to save it and it will come to your timeline. Mahabalipuram beach. Now I will show you the recorder option where you can record the screen content. It can record full or partial screen. You can also use facecam to record. It can record the system and microphone sounds as per your requirement. So now as the editing is done, we will check the flow. Mahabalipuram beach. We have put voice narration, we have put text, we have put effects, we have put background music, we have put effects on the transition effects, all the things. And we put the voice
fading out.
So as the editing is complete, now we will export the video to be ready for playing in different type of medias. We have to go to share and choose local file as we will save the same in the PC. This may take time as per configuration of your computer.
As you can see, rendering is over. Now it will be saved in the designated folder which you have selected. This MP4 file is the final file.
Select Mahabalipuram beach.